Hey Andrew, it's Marcy here from Grow&Gain Marketing. I was speaking with Maria earlier and she let me know that this was the email to send this video to. So I'm just going to go over 3 things today that you can do to help beat your competitors as far as bringing in more calls and your online presence. You can use your website to bring in more traffic. Now, I'll just quickly go over a short explanation on how Google's always going to lay out their first page, the #1 page, because that's kind of where you want to be. I mean, best case scenario is if you just show up here as often as possible. The paid ads are always going to be at the top. The middle section here is the Google Business listing, Google My Business. One of these 3 spots is a great place to be. It shows, statistics show that probably 40–50% of the sales are going to these 3 businesses that'll show up, depending on your search term, of course. For this particular search, I put air duct cleaning, and then this area down here is called the organic listings. So these sites that appear here on the first page are going to be here due to the 3 things that I'm going to go over with you today. And those 3 things are content, backlinks, and citations. I see that you've got, a number of service areas. I think I went over there. Yeah, the one that I put in was Abbotsford. So really great opportunity here as far as to help you to understand how this works, how I can tell whether it's very competitive for online, not for the air duct or the carpet cleaning or anything, but for, where you're going to place on online. You can see here that here's a business, but the next one is a Washington Post article. The next one's Yelp. The next one's Better Business Bureau. So they're kind of groveling to, home stars to fill up their first page, right? So, not too difficult with the proper, content and whatnot. Content is huge. People don't really realize, and if you're wondering what I mean when I first got into this, I thought, what they're really talking about content. Content is just a fancy way of saying the words on the page. Now, when you have go in and you do the keyword research and you find out what the people are, the actual terms that the people are searching for, and then you build your content around that, you can see on your home page that, you've got a bit, and as far as a lot of websites go, you're kind of doing better than most, really, but Google likes to see, probably in your case, because you do have a number of services and a place to put in your locations. Also, if you had 1,500, 2,000 word content on your homepage, you'd be shocked at what that's going to do for your rankings. So content, and when you do have pictures, let's see what's going on. You want to take advantage of those too. See how we've just kind of got the gobbledygook? Any pictures that you have, if you name them with the search terms that people are actually typing into the browser, another opportunity for Google to, when it's got the algorithms and the bots out there that do the crawling, for them to find you. See, it's in Google's best interest. This is what they're trying to do, is to keep searchers on their search engine. So when they type in a word, they want to offer up the most relevant search results in order to accomplish that, in order to keep people there. So content is, in our business we say content is king, and it can't be overstated. So then to move on to backlinks. Backlinks on the internet, you can kind of think of the internet as a big old popularity contest. So a backlink is like a vote for your website. When another website on the internet links to yours, as I said, that's a vote in Google's eyes. So with your competitor, those guys there that were ranking in the #1 position, they've got 245 backlinks, or referring domains, giving them just over almost 4,000 backlinks. This, they're being found for 1.7 thousand keywords, and this work that they've done has brought them roughly 436 visitors, traffic to their website last month. If they were doing paid ads, that would be the equivalent of this value. So I put your site into the same tool, and you can see you're being found for, I think I pulled you up there, yeah, for 198 keywords. So this is where you really want to take advantage when we go in here to order your content. We do the research to find out what words are being searched for, and it tells you. So like in this case, carpet cleaning Surrey, BC, about 100 people last month were using that search term. So, you know, you find the most popular search terms. You can see it also tells us over here, anything 10 above is usually hitting the first page, and then past that, this would be second page, you're going to the third page in the organic listings. So the organic listings will kind of fall in line with the ones that are showing up here, typically too. And another thing that contributes to showing up here is citations. So I put the search term air duct cleaning into this citation, local citation finder, and you can see what I mean by that. We've got modern, executive, and unique, and then over here, modern, executive, and unique's got a bunch of listings showing up there. So, you know, the things that I'm showing you today, they really are, you know, not rocket science. Really how we do this is we just reverse engineer. We go dig in, we find out what your competitor is doing, and then you just do more. So, you know, if the top guy's got 27 citations, you make sure that you've got more than 27 citations. If the top guy's got 1,000 words content on his homepage, and it's the homepage that really carries the weight with the content where you want to pile in the content. Back pages are good, and you can get back pages to rank as well, but it's the home page that really helps to get you up there. So like I say, backlinks, but backlinks aren't always all created equal. Some are going to be more authoritative, going to carry more weight, got more power. So it's not that you'd have to run out and get that many, but again, if they're relevant to your industry, they're going to carry more weight than, say, a backlink from, you know, a pizza shop. So if there's work put into that, you don't necessarily have to have volume more. It's power and authoritativeness more. So I hope that's helped. If you wanted to look into anything to beat your competitors online, those are the things that you'd want to be looking at doing. Got a nice looking site. Just add some more words on there. You'd be surprised what that would do for you. So thanks, Andrew, for taking the time to watch the video. I hope there was something of value for you. Once again, my name is Marcy, and I'm with Grow&Gain Marketing.